Middle Paleolithic lithic industries, Clactonian, Levalloisian, and Mousterian. UGC NET Anthropology. Unit 5. Part 5.7. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Middle Paleolithic lithic industries, Clactonian, Levalloisian, and Mousterian. The Middle Paleolithic, 300. 000 years BP, represents the transition from lower Paleolithic core tool-dominated technologies, hand axes, choppers, to more advanced flake-based tool industries, emphasizing planning, economy of raw material, and regional variation. 1. Clactonian industry. Geographic context, mainly in Britain, Clacton-on-Sea, Essex, but with parallels elsewhere. Dating, late Lower Paleolithic, sometimes seen as an early Middle Paleolithic flake industry. Raw material use, pebbles and nodules of flint, usually unmodified except for flaking. Techniques. Hard hammer percussion, no preparation of cores. Flakes detached opportunistically, irregular and thick. Absence of hand axes distinguishes it from Acheulean. Tool types. Simple flakes, irregular, sharp-edged. Chopping tools and notches. Interpretation, considered by some as a functional variant of Acheulean, others as a distinct industry showing earliest specialization in flake tools. 2. Levalloisian industry. Key feature. Prepared core technology equals flakes removed from a core whose shape was carefully prepared in advance. Levallois technique, steps. Select suitable raw material, flint, quartzite, chert. Shape the core into a convex tortoiseshell form. Prepare striking platform and flaking surfaces. Detach predetermined flakes, Levallois flakes. Core types. Tortoise core, dome-shaped, giving one large preferential flake. Discoid core, worked radially, producing multiple flakes. Levallois point core, prepared to detach triangular flakes. Products. Large, thin flakes with predetermined morphology. Points, blades, and scrapers. Advantages. Standardization of tool shapes. Maximized use of raw material. Allowed hafting attaching to wooden shafts. Significance indicates abstract planning ability and a mental template for tool production. 3. Mousterian industry, classic Middle Paleolithic. Associations, Neanderthals, Europe, West Asia, and early Homo sapiens, Africa. Dating, c. 160,000 to 40,000 BP. Raw material use, flint, quartzite, obsidian, local stone economy. Techniques. Extensive use of Levallois prepared cores. Retouching flakes into formal tools. Regional and functional variability. Tool types. Side scrapers, most common for hide working. Points, triangular flakes, hafted into spears. Denticulates, serrated edges for cutting fibrous plants. End scrapers and burins, woodworking and bone processing. Variants. Mousterian, thick, heavily retouched scrapers. Denticulate Mousterian, tools with notched edges. Typical Mousterian, mixed tool types. Cultural and behavioral significance. Evidence of systematic hunting and carcass processing. Fire use widespread. Possible symbolic behavior, pigments, burials in some sites. 4. Core types in detail. Discoid core. Round, worked around edges, producing short, thick flakes. Easy to maintain, suited for poor raw materials. Tortoise core, Levallois preferential core. Convex upper surface, flat base. Predetermined large flake removed from the back of the tortoise shell. Fluted core, less typical of Middle Paleolithic. Long channel removed to detach blade-like flakes. Seen more in Upper Paleolithic/Clovis, but precursors may appear in late Mousterian contexts. 5. Tool types and functions. Tool type description function. Flakes sharp-edged fragments detached from coarse cutting meat, hide, plants. Scrapers retouched flakes with convex/straight edges hide scraping, woodworking. Points triangular flakes, often hafted hunting spears, thrusting weapons. Denticulates serrated edges cutting plant fibers, woodworking. Notches indentations made on flakes shaft smoothing, woodworking. Burins chisel-like tools bones/antler working. Core sources of flakes, sometimes used directly crushing, pounding. 6. Special emphasis on Middle Paleolithic. Shift from core tools to flake tools equals more efficient stone economy. Planned reduction strategies, Levallois technique, show mental templates. Greater tool diversity equals adaptation to multiple environments. Cultural complexity, Mousterian variability reflects social traditions. Biological context, linked with Neanderthals and early modern humans, highlights human evolution. Note: Clactonian equals simple flake production, no preparation. Levalloisian equals prepared core flaking, breakthrough in planning. Mousterian equals full expression of Middle Paleolithic technology, diverse flake tools, and cultural richness. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.